This machine is for testing machine. You can check 4 different type of cables. Okay. First one you can check is 3-in-1 cables. Type C, lighting, and micro USB. Okay. Also you can checking these lighting cables. Type C cables, micro USB cables. Okay. How to check? First thing you choosing from here, mode, and choosing 14 or 15, 16. Normally we're choosing 14 and make confirm. Okay. Okay, now you check from here. This is the lighting cables. Okay, we check lighting now.
Okay.
Okay, that means pass. Okay, and second one we're choosing this Type C one. Okay, Type C is this one and here.
Fault.
Okay, this one is broken. Okay.
插快点，让速度快点。
Okay.
Okay.
再说一下，
pass.
速度这样快。
Okay, you need to make speed quickly. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And number 3, we're checking this micro USB. Okay, checking from last one.
Okay.
Okay, another one.
Okay.
Okay, all these 3 cables correct. No
拿
problem.
一个 file 试一下你。
Okay, now taking this have problem this one. Okay, we're checking from here.
Fault.
See, you're making 4 negative, broken. Another one.
Okay.
Okay, lighting is okay. Okay, but type C is broken. Okay.
Fault.
Okay, and number 3, if you want to checking this
可以换那个。
if you want to check this light Type C to lighting cables, you need to change this motherboard. First thing, take out this one. Okay, you take out this motherboard. Okay, and put this Type C motherboard in here inside. Okay, and then you can check Type C here, lightning. You're choosing from here. 25是吧？
对。
哎，等一下。25.
嗯。
Okay, confirm. Okay. Okay, now Type C, lightning.
Okay.
Okay. Type C to lightning. Okay, this one cable is okay.
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 那条是不良品，
Okay, that one is broken. Okay.
不良品。
This one is broken. Okay. Try again.
坏了就。
Type C, lightning.
Fault.
Okay, broken.